Hi, I'm homeless. And that's why it's time to continue our van build. This car is now registered, which means I've got a license plate. Yes! I can actually drive this thing now, woo! So I've registered this car and can at least legally drive it now. So far I've only crashed it once, and I have to say, this car feels like it's from 1999. The interior is completely outdated. It has manual transmission. If you turn on the heating but not the fan, it just starts burning. And if you turn this light on and forget to turn it off, it just kills itself with a battery. And both of those things have happened to me. My goal is to build a van that looks something like this. To do that, I will need mounting points throughout the van so I can attach furniture to the van itself. So that's the next step. Also, if you want to know how to make a 3D model like that, I made a podcast episode about how to plan your van. Just check that out. I go into detail there. Last time we insulated this entire thing, and while it's very well insulated, it turned out to be pretty stupid because I had thick insulation everywhere and I had to cut it out again to put in the wooden pieces. So remember, if you're putting in insulation, make sure you put in the wood beforehand.
Your looks put me in a trance, baby, let's dance, dance, dance.
Why does stuff like this always have to happen to me?
Back when I knew you, said I wanna do you, kiss on your tattoo.
So this is my ceiling. Ignore all the electrics, we'll talk about that in the next video. I asked you guys on Instagram if I should paint it white or keep it wooden, and someone suggested to make it dark wooden, so that's probably what I'll go with. If you have any suggestions for this van build, make sure to hit me up on Instagram. This is where I'm at now. In the next video, we're going to talk all about the electrical system, so stay tuned and stay safe.
Slipping